Hello everyone, welcome to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today in this tutorial I am going to discuss with you the only one option, which is Start Global Edit. So let's get started. First of all, create any shape. Let's say I am going to create a circle and filling it with red color, and also I am changing its stroke color, something like this. And then I'm taking duplicate copies. To do so, select the shape, hold on Alt and Shift key and move towards right side. Press Ctrl D multiple times, as many as you want. Once you're taking the copies, now it's time to apply any changes in one, and that will be applied to all others. Like in normal case, if I want to make changes, I have to uh, do it manually by selecting one by one and doing the changes like this. But what if I want to do the changes in one, and that will apply to all of them, all of others? To do so, select the one circle and then go to select menu, choose Start Global Edit. Now you can see that all the circles have been selected, but the original one is selected with red boundary and the all others are selected with blue boundaries, which indicates that these are part of global edits. So what now, whatever changes I will do in this circle, that will apply to all of these. So let's do it. So let's say I want to select, I am going to select this anchor point and moving it towards bottom side like this, and you can see that that has been applied to all of others. Similarly, if I am going to change its fill color from red to something other like this, you can see that it also has been applied to all all the circles, all the shapes. Similarly, you can change the stroke color as well like this, and anything which you want you can do in this one, and that will be applied to all of these. Like I am choosing this eraser tool and applying the to this, and that has been applied to all others. Let's do it with the line tool. You can do it with any shape. Let's say I am creating this line and taking its multiple copies like this, and I am going to select this one and then selecting the option Start Global Edit from select menu, and you can see that again all are selected with blue boundaries, and this one is red, this red color. So now again, if I am moving this one, the all will follow it like this. If I add a point and increase the line, you can see that it's applying to all others at the same time. So you can do anything with using this option. The main purpose of this option is that you have to just apply any changes in one shape, and that will be applied to all others which are the part of global select. So that was the tutorial. I hope you will like it, and if you have any question or suggestion or feedback, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.